In this video, we will show you how to change administrator on Windows 11. To change administrator on Windows 11, first you need to open your control panel here. Just type control panel on the search bar. Then you can select the user accounts, and in here you can click the user account. After that, you can click manage another account. You can see we only have this administrator. Okay, if you need to change this administrator, you need to create another account or another administrator here. Just click add a new user in PC settings. Okay, after that you can click add account. In here you can add account with Microsoft account or without Microsoft account. Just select I don't have this person sign in information if you don't want to use Microsoft account. And in here, click add a user without a Microsoft account. Okay, for the username, for example here, just type like this, and you need to type the password. After that, you can click next. Okay, sorry, this is must required. Okay, for the security options, for example, like this, and what's the name of the city? Okay, I will type just for dummy. After that, you can click next. And this is the local account. You can see there. And select change account type here. You can see here. You can select account type to administrator. Now you can click OK. After that, this is as administrator. You can just change the user. Okay. For example, like this. And you can type the password that you just created. And in here, you will set up as administrator. Then you can change the account, another account. In here, we don't want to select location or another option here. We click accept. And in here, we can open again the control panel. After that, select the user account again and select change account type. Now you can change the account type on another account. Okay, you can see you can change the account type to standard or to administrator after you have the administrator rights. And that's all tutorial how to change administrator on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.